The best hot wings in the world, ladies and gentlemen. Straight off the fire. Oh my God. There he is. I know. Salud. It is going down into Bama. The best hot wings you'll ever eat in life. Morales Outdoors, baby. The best hot wings in the world, ladies and gentlemen. Guaranteed. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the best hot wings in the world right now. I'm gonna grab one We're going to do a taste test for you. Straight off the fire. Oh my God. Easy. Van or Campfire Meals. Best hot wings in the world. I put my hot wings up against anybody, anytime, any day. If you think your wings are better, hit me up. Let's find out. I guarantee you they're not. Man. In the words of Stale Cracker, that's money, dude.